Good morning, YouTube. It's Saturday before our vacation. We're getting ready to go South Dakota. We're gonna fix up the truck camper and do a little truck camping for 10 days. Should be kind of fun. So we're gonna take my truck right there. We're gonna take the toolbox out. All right, we're gonna clean out the back of the truck. Then we're going to put that on there. Stay in that for 10 days. 10 days. So I cleaned it up this morning a little bit. Yeah, I painted her up some a little bit. Oh, painted it up some. Got the door. Hopefully we stay dry. I got a leak around a bolt in here. How did that happen? Let's seal that up. Can't have leakage. So we'll get this thing cleaned up a little bit, get that cleaned up a little bit, and we'll show you putting it together. All right, we are getting her cleaned up. I sprayed everything down with some Clorox. Got a spider in here. Right there, where'd it go? The spider. This is where we're staying, inside here. Might get some bug spray and spray in here for a minute. So we're getting inside, ready to go. We're gonna start putting the stuff outside, get it ready to go. Things are looking good. Looking good. Good afternoon, YouTubers. We are getting ready to head to South Dakota. Got the truck rig on, all loaded up. We're going to hit the road. So, me and the chick for our anniversary. So we'll be updating you periodically. Should be a good video. Hey, we're on our way, making some distance. We got 17 hours and 12 minutes left. We're just about to knock down one state. So we'll be going out of Ohio. There we go. We're going to keep coming back later, 10 days from now.
Yes, about a year ago.
We are going to another state. We just got through Illinois. We're into Iowa. Pretty nice little area here.
Lots of silence. Bridget was idly picking at the long grass. Luke turned to the opposite bank unseeingly.
Spent the night at a rest area last night in the camper rig. Slept all right. Got up early this morning. On the road. I don't know how far we're going to get today, but we're going to enjoy the day. So if we see something exciting, we'll get back with you. Hey, we're in the world's largest truck stop, Iowa. That's what it says on the door. Pretty big. There's a truck stop down here. Let me show you. Pretty big. That's all the trucking stuff. We just ate breakfast here, Iowa. There's another cool truck. This place is huge. Yep, we've been here. Now we can say we've been here. There's rig. Pretty big. Well, we made it to the Corn Palace, South Dakota, but it's closed.
It's closed.
So we'll walk around. It's all made out of corn husk. Corn cobs. A little windy here. We're on the balcony of the Corn Palace. It must be like a theater. Whoa, almost dropped the camera. But we're up here. I don't know. Not real impressed. Alright, going back in. Well, we made it to a site. We made it to a site. It's a pretty nice site. It's free. Don't have a bathroom or nothing, but pretty nice site. I think here's where we're going to spend the night. I think this will be all right. We'll cook some dinner. Maybe sit around. Cook us some dinner. Should be all right, I think.